Hello, I'm Mark Engelman and welcome to ongoing commentary about ERP quicksand and opportunities. These comments are based on the experience of over 1,000 ERP projects since 1996 at my company, where the buyer's interests were forefront and always the focus. So today, in this brief video, we talk about is cloud ERP easier to implement than on-premise or single instance ERP? I suspect most of you watching this video probably have a pretty good idea of the answer, but this topic seems to continue to come up and was the basis for us to go ahead and make this video and comment on it. It appears the claim about cloud ERP being easier to implement just came along with the ride that cloud ERP is easier overall. Now, offloading the management of hardware and software from the buyer is certainly a big improvement for most buyers. And so this environment of easy was captured by the marketing and sales functions at those offering cloud ERP, and they ran with it. And that's why they call it software as a service. You just basically are served. And the subscription model makes it look like paying for a utility. So it's easy, easy, easy. So back to the implementation effort. There's only a few factors that will mostly affect the amount of effort it takes to implement an ERP in a company. And these factors have nothing whatsoever to do with where the ERP is hosted or how it's paid for. So I'm going to mention three. Number one is the complexity of the business putting in the ERP. That is, of course, a huge driver in how hard it gets or not. The second of three is the ability of the ERP. Is it a complex or capable ERP? Lots of configurability, lots of functions. Well, if it is, it'll be harder to put in because there's more to do, more to think about it. And the irony of that is, if an ERP is actually easier to implement, there's usually a correlation with less functionality and less configurability. The third is the ability of the buyer to control their implementation. If a buyer is really good at that, the implementation will be on the relative scale far easier than the typical chaotic, messed up, delayed, over costly implementation that most buyers endure. So thank you for watching this. If you found this interesting, then please hit the like button here and subscribe. We're making more and more of these ERP related videos in the coming months. I hope you find them useful too. Thank you.